Welcome to your latest update from the Met Office. Eyes on the skies this week, more so than normal, because it's going to be an interesting week of weather, warm conditions, some hot sunshine, some humidity, and yes, further thunderstorms. Here's the satellite image and the radar showing heavy rain that's been moving northwards, lingering across Scotland through the day today, but further south, breaks in the clouds, some sunshine, triggering further thunderstorms this afternoon. We have a yellow warning in place from parts of Wales, the Midlands, up to northern England and Northern Ireland. Hit and miss, but where we do see these downpours, they could drop a lot of rain in a short space of time, and that may cause certainly some travel disruption. Here's the bigger picture this afternoon. So that zone of thunderstorms across the Midlands, Wales, Northern Ireland, heading into northern England. To the north of that, staying pretty soggy across a good part of Scotland. Further south, actually things turning largely dry across southern England this afternoon and South Wales, with some warm sunshine. Temperatures will vary, obviously, depending on how much sunshine we get. Pretty chilly day with that persistent rain across eastern Scotland, the far northeast of England, but further south, warm, humid conditions, bit of sunshine, easily up to 22, 23 degrees Celsius. So quite a contrast in conditions throughout the rest of today, and it doesn't end there. The thunderstorms will steadily fizzle out over northern England, southern Scotland this evening. The rain may linger across northern Scotland for most of the night. Further rain then threatening the southwest, but in between, actually, most of us turning dry overnight and clear. Some mist and fog patches are possible, and temperatures holding up with the warm air generally in place, double digits across towns and cities, a little lower in the countryside. On to Tuesday, and actually for the vast majority, it's going to be a fine, bright and very warm day. We'll still have some rain across the Northern Isles, a brisk wind and a lot of low cloud. The main exception to tomorrow's fine story will be out west, with Northern Ireland seeing a lot of clouds, some showery rain, turning heavier through the day. That rain also creeping into western Scotland by the afternoon, and at times affecting West Wales and southwest England. And look, by the end of the day, some really bright colours there. Some of that rain likely again to be on the heavy side. And again, we'll see the big contrast in temperatures under the cloud and rain in the west. It'll be mid to high teens at best, but further east in the sunshine, warmer than today, widely into the low to mid-20s, and somewhere in the London area up to the Wash we could easily get 25, 26, possibly even 27 Celsius. Coasts will again be a little cooler, especially if it stays quite misty and murky. So again, big contrasts going on, and we're not done there with the thundery showers either, because the potential during Tuesday evening for thunderstorms to drift up from France once more across East Anglia and the southeast. Meanwhile, the heavy rain works more into western Scotland, perhaps into northwest England. The big picture for this week shows what's going on with low pressure out to the west, but little features moving around it, and all the while drawing up warmth and potentially very warm and humid air at times into parts of eastern England. So we're on a similar pattern through the week, with weather fronts bringing rain into the west and the potential for thundery showers to come up from the south. As I said, plenty going on this week. To check out that warning in detail, visit the app or the websites, but stay in touch with the weather throughout this week, because things are chopping and changing. There is the potential for further thunderstorms, and the best way to stay up to date is to follow us across social media.